Mom, you know that moment when it's brushing time and your toddler suddenly turns into a tiny ninja, dodging every toothbrush swing, screaming like the world is ending, and somehow managing to escape in every direction at once?
Yeah,
We've all been there. But don't worry, I'm going to show you 5 fun, stress-free ways to get your toddler brushing without tears, tantrums, or bribery. 1. Brush together. Make it a game. Turn brushing into an interactive game instead of a command. Mom can brush the toddler's teeth first, then let the toddler brush mom's teeth. Or brush together side by side and make it a playful challenge. Who can brush more gently? Who can smile the cutest? Through imitation and interaction, toddlers learn to see brushing as something fun. 2. Use books or animated video. Stories and animations capture your child's attention and teach the importance of brushing. Choose simple, engaging brushing-themed books to read before bedtime. Short animated videos about teeth and oral care can also motivate toddlers to imitate the characters and brush along. 3. Let your toddler choose a favorite toothbrush. The look and feel of a toothbrush can make a big difference. Let your toddler pick one with a fun character, bright color, or unique shape. Toothbrushes with music or lights can make brushing feel more like playtime. 4. Brush together. Mom leads by example. Toddlers love to imitate adults. Mom can brush her own teeth first while the toddler watches, then let the toddler follow. Brush together in front of a mirror so it feels like a family activity. Add a short chant, song, or rhythm to make brushing more fun and engaging. Tips to keep in mind: avoid forcing or scolding. Brushing shouldn't feel stressful. Build the habit gradually and keep the routine lighthearted. Give lots of praise and encouragement. Toddlers respond better when brushing feels positive. Brushing isn't just about dental health, it's also a chance for parent-child bonding. With games, stories, and playful imitation, brushing can become a fun part of daily life. Over time, your toddler will start to enjoy it, and moms can finally enjoy a calmer, stress-free brushing routine. Thanks for watching, and if videos like this help make your mom life a little lighter, remember to subscribe for more gentle parenting tips and calming, oil painting style stories. You're not alone on this journey.